Do you hear the footsteps now? Feels like they're here somehow.